Hello friends. Uh, Now we will go to another way to manipulate the string as we have seen concatenation. So let's have a look what other string manipulation technique does Python offer. First, we just need to do manipulation. So we will see what kind of manipulation we can have. So first point is I just want to make you familiar with indexing. Forward indexing starts with 0. These are few points you need to remember. Reverse indexing starts with -1 with last character. Next point is I want to make you clear strings are immutable. Immutable means they cannot be changed after they created. Means they cannot be changed once they created. And the last point is strings can be modified by slicing. Can be modified by slicing. You do slicing and make a combination of one part with another part. So that's how you can change. But it cannot. Strings originally are immutable. What is immutability? We will see. And what is forward reverse indexing? Now we will see. Uh, but before that, we just do it. So it will be saved as heading. No, it's not just coding. So these are important points. First, I want to make you familiar with a function that is len function. This is the part of Python function. So I am writing a string. Let's say string is uh, let's say any string. I like ice cream. Let's say this is the string. So if I want to know the string length, how I can do len, I will use for that len function. If I will run, then you will see it's having 17 characters. So index in Python is similar to as books. It starts from we can access from one character to and up to n characters. So and the indexing for there are two types of indexing: forward and reverse indexing. Forward indexing means from start, and their indexing starts with 0, and reverse indexing from the last character that will start from -1. So if I want to access first character of any string, so access first character, what I will do for that? I will do what I have created a string, that is string and 0, because forward indexing is starting from 0. So you can see this is the value. So I created a spacing. Let's say first run it, now run it, then it will change. It's I because there was a space, so it's showing a space. Now it's a Forward indexing. Please do practice for this. I personally suggest you for practicing for this session. Practice at your end. For accessing last character. If I am saying and I want to access or you want to access last character of any string. So for accessing last character, what we will do, we will use reverse indexing and we will use what is this? This is reverse indexing. So if I am going to run this, oh, it's a strings. You can see M. Yes, this is the last one character. There's another method to accessing last character, like there is 16 only, total 16 values was there. So what I will do, if I will do it string 16, it will show out of range. Why? Because it's starting from 0 and it is going to the last one character, that is the 15. If we are counting 1 to 15, it's total 15, but if we are counting 0 to 15, it's total 16. So length is 16. If I want to access last one character, so I have to do, no, it won't show out of range. In the similar way, if I want to access second character from last, I can do it easily by similarly, if I want to change the character, let's say trying to change the character at index 2 string 2. Let's say I want to replace at the second index by t. What it will show. So why this is? Because strings are immutable. They cannot be changed once they are created. They cannot change any character. We can modify them by slicing, but we cannot change them. Okay, guys, I hope you got what are the characteristics of strings and what are basic indexing function, how to use len function. So I hope you got all the points which I really want to make you clear. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe my channel.